Hello and welcome to Hybiz Wheels. The new generation Mahindra Thar is the latest model to be unveiled by the manufacturer and will go on sale in India on October 2, 2020. The all-new offerings takes a quantum leap over the current model with new features, technology and a heavily revised design to meet the current and future safety norms. The Mahindra Thar is an extremely important model for the brand that also pays homage to its legacy and will be introduced during the festive season. October 2 also marks the Founders' Day for Mahindra and Mahindra, making the launch all the more special. Bookings for the new generation Thar will begin in October while deliveries can be expected towards the end of the year. The off-roader will compete against the Force Kuka and upcoming Maruti Suzuki Jimny. Mahindra Thar 2020 will get to choose between a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine and a 2.2-liter diesel engine. The petrol motor is part of the new M Stallion engine family and has a maximum power output of 150 bhp at 5000 rpm and a peak torque of 320 Nm at 1500 to 3000 rpm. The diesel engine offers lower power and torque figures at 130 bhp at 3750 rpm and 300 Nm at 1600 to 2800 rpm respectively. However, it is worth noting that 95% of the torque is available from a low as 1250 rpm in case of the diesel. This time, around automatic transmission variants are part of the Thar lineup. The 2020 Mahindra Thar Automatic will feature a 6-speed torque converter sourced from iSeen, while the manual variants get the 6R 320 6-speed gearbox that also does duty on the Scorpio. Let's see a brief review on the exterior of Mahindra Thar 2020. In terms of the design, the Thar follows the same philosophy as most of other modern interpretations of iconic off-roaders like the Jeep Wrangler, Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, Ford Bronco, and the Land Rover Defender. The upright nose features circular headlamps and a 7-slat grille. In a day and age when most manufacturers seem to be slapping on oversized grilles to the front of their vehicles, Mahindra has gone with a size that seems a touch too small. Although anything bigger than this would have only amplified the new Thar's resemblance with the Jeep Wrangler. Next to the headlamps, you will find LED DRLs and turn indicators packed together. The bumper sports a two-tone look with circular fog lamps. Let's get into some of the interior of Mahindra Thar 2020. With the new model, the Mahindra Thar's interior witnessed major improvements in terms of ergonomics, quality and general fit and also finish. In this fully loaded LX grade, buyers get kit like a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment unit with Apple CarPlay support and plenty of other features which we did not quite get this time to explore in detail. Just under the touchscreen are the air con vents below which are controls for the manual air conditioning the Mahindra Thar 2020 comes with. Front passengers get an aux port, 2 USB port and a 12-volt socket. As mentioned earlier, the good news is that there isn't much to complain about in terms of ergonomics. Most of the buttons, controls, etc. are where you would not want to them to be. The only oddly placed switches are the ones for power windows positioned right behind the gear lever, but there is a good reason for that: removable doors. The steering wheel, lifted from the TUV300, features controls for audio and phone functions on the left and for cruise control on the right. Relaying information to the driver is an instrument panel with analog speedo and tacho coupled with a very detailed MID. So finally, coming to the price, the Mahindra Thar 2020 is to be in between 10 to 15 lakhs approximately. The entry level variant, the one with a more basic cabin, a limited set of features, a fixed soft top and smaller 16-inch wheels might even be priced closer to rupees 9 lakhs. So that's all for the Mahindra 2020 review. We will come up with the next another car where you could get the complete details of the upcoming cars in India. Thank you so much.